Hello friends, today we are studying about the animal histology, that is paper number 2 in TYBSc semester 1 animal histology. In that we are studying the topic tissue. This is a chapter number 2, that is a tissue. So before that we are studying about the what is histology. So histology is a branch of biology which deals with the study of microscopic anatomy of any organ of the animals or plant. That study of microscopic anatomical study, it is called histology. So what is the application of that histology? It is used mostly in the medical science, in molecular biology, biochemistry as well as biotechnology, in the all branches of life science, because in the histology there is a study of normal tissue as well as infected tissue, because the infected tissue is not we are identified with the study of normal tissue. So that is a histology. In this histology, the main topic is a tissue, because every organ is made up of by tissue. So what is that tissue? So tissue is a group of cells. So what is a tissue? Tissue is a group of cells. Cell gathering of the cell or the formation of an organ with the use of the tissue. So this tissue is a group of cells. How many groups of cells in our body or the animal body? There is a different types of tissues. We are also studying about the types of tissues. So which type of tissues? Types of tissue. Tissue is a group of cells, and these different types of group of cells, that is a tissue in our body and the organ. So this tissue are of the basically 4 types. The first is the epithelial tissue. Second is a connective tissue. Third is the muscular tissue. And fourth is the nervous tissue. Because these 4 types of tissue is made up of these 4 types of cells. These are the special 4 types of cells which are made up of these 4 types of tissue, and according to that tissue it is made up of an organ. So today we are studying about epithelial tissue. Only epithelial tissue. So what is epithelial tissue? Epithelial tissue is a simple cells. Epithelial. First we are seeing what is epithelial cell. The epithelial cell is a cell which are arranged on the basement membrane. What is this? This is a basement membrane. Those cells which are arranged on the basement cell, and between the two cells, between the two epithelial cells, there is no any gap or vacancy. Non-vacuolated cells, that is called epithelial tissue, which is the epithelial cells. These are the epithelial cells. Okay. So this epithelial cells is made up of in the 2 forms. We are studying about the epithelial forms. What is the forms? Forms means the tissue is arranged in the which form? in our body or the organ, it is present on the two forms. One is a membranous form and another is the glandular. The epithelial tissue or the cell is made up of in the two forms in our body. It is a membranous form or the glandular form. So what is membranous form? The membranous form is in the clad membrane of sheet of the cells. Sheet of the cells means our body, covering of our body, that is the skin or the any organ of the anatomy or the any external cavity in the organ, that is the use of this membrane, that is a membranous epithelium. In the membranous and glandular means there is a cells arranged in the forms of gland without vacuoles, means there is no any other cells. Sure. This is a glandular form, means these are the epithelial cells which are arranged in the without vacuoles but in the glandular forms because of the secretion. It is a glandular form, and membranous means a sheet in the forms of sheet, that is a membranous form. In the membranous form, how many membranous forms in our body? That is the external covering of our body, external covering, external layer of our body. Then intervacuolar layers of our body, intervacuolars. What is intervacuolar layer? Means surrounding the heart, surrounding the lung, surrounding the abdomen, that is a pericardial space, abdominal space, that are the intravascular layers which is made up of that membranous epithelium. And another is the cavity, canals, inner side or the outer side of that cavity or inner side of that cavity is also made up of the membranous epithelium. Means what? In our intestine, there is a tube of intestine, the internal covering of that cells. This is the internal covering, which is also made up of that membranous epithelium. These are the forms of epithelial cells. So these epithelial cells are in the two forms. Okay. So what are we are studying? We are revise. First, what is histology? Histology is a branch of biology which deals with the study of microscopic anatomical structure of the any organ. And what is tissue? Tissue is the group of cells which is present in the animal body. There are the numbers of groups of cells. In that, there is a types of tissues. In types of tissues, we are studying about the three types of tissues, that four types of tissues: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. In that, we are studying about the epithelial tissue. So what is epithelial tissue? A simple cells which is present on the basement membrane without vacuoles, non-vacuolated, opposed to each other, without gap present, that is called epithelial tissues. And these epithelial tissues is how many forms? There is a two forms, that is the membranous forms. We are studying about the forms. Membranous means the sheet of the epithelial cells, and the glandular. So what is the use of that epithelial cell? How many organs having epithelial cell? Each and every organ having epithelial cells. So which is the use of? First is the outer layer of the external layer of our body, that is the skin. So what is the use of skin? That is a protection. So first function of epithelial cell is the protection. Then what is the use of that gland? That is a secretion. Yes, secretion. Then third is the in our intestine there is also one of the form, that is the absorption. The food which is gained in the forms of the protein is converted into amino acid, carbohydrate converted glucose. So these are absorbed through the intestine. That intestine also having epithelial cell, so it is also absorption. These are the three main functions of the epithelial cells, that is protection, secretion, absorption. So, and also nourishment of our body. So we are talking about the types of epithelial tissue. We are studying about the forms of epithelial tissue, function of the epithelial tissue, what is epithelial tissue, what is epithelial cell. So we are talking about the types of epithelial tissue. Types of epithelial tissue. So types of epithelial tissue. We are studying about according to shape of epithelium. First we are studying about the according to shape. That epithelial cells are arranged in the different type of shape, because epithelial tissue is present in the different organs. So according to shape, it's having squamous or flat epithelial cell, second is the cuboidal epithelial cell, third is the columnar epithelial cell. So first we are studying about the squamous epithelial cells. What is squamous epithelial cells? Is the simple flat cells which is arranged on basement membrane, means flat cells which are present on our skin and the outer layer of the any organ. There is presence of flat epithelial cells. It is present arranged on the compulsory basement membrane. Cuboidal means that cells is a cube-like structure, square, cube-like structure. These are the cuboidal epithelial cells. Means cube-like structure, that is a cuboidal epithelial cells. And the third is the columnar epithelial cell. Is the in the squamous epithelial cells, the length and width is the higher than the length in the squamous epithelial cell. Okay. In the cuboidal epithelial cell, the length and width is the same, means the cuboidal epithelial cell. And the columnar epithelial cells, the length is larger than the width. These are the columnar epithelial cells. The length is larger than the width. Okay, these are the basic three types of epithelial cells which is classified according to shape. Then again we are studying according to layer. It is the most important. Without this shape we are not studying according to layer. So we are